Healthy Forever presents Best 10 Collagen-Rich Foods You Should Eat. You're probably asking yourself, what is collagen and what does it do? Collagen is the main protein in your body. It's a major component that makes up the ligaments, tendons, muscles, and skin. It strengthens your bones and adds structure to your skin. It also relieves joint pain, can add muscle mass, promotes gut and heart health, and can help with weight loss. If you want to help any of these things, then the foods below are a great place to start. If you like videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more daily tips and smash the like button and notification bell so you never miss our new videos. Fish. Skin on. Fish is abundant in amino acids that are needed for collagen. Leave the skin on the fish because there is type 1 collagen in the skin in high concentration. That is the reason for the amount of collagen in the skin. Bell peppers. Red. These bell peppers are full of vitamin C, which is the primary nutrient in collagen synthesis. Green, yellow, and orange have it too, but a red bell pepper is just older than the others. And the older the bell pepper, the more vitamin C it has. Tomatoes. All tomatoes, but mostly sun-dried ones, have an extremely high level of vitamin C. They also have antioxidant that will protect your skin from the sun damaging it. It also protects from collagen breakdown. Berries. All berries are a perfect source of collagen, especially blueberries, blackberries, strawberries, and raspberries. Also having ellagic acid helps to battle against UV ray damage. Bone broth. This one is popular and well-known source of collagen a body needs. It is easily made at home. Just cook down a chicken, beef, pork, or any other meat from animals. Once you have drawn out all of the nutrients, which could take a few hours, then you have the bone broth that you need. Beef. Zinc is an important ingredient to collagen production, so enjoy those yummy steaks and juicy burgers. Another plus to beef is that it has 3 different amino acids: proline, glycine, and hydroxyproline that make up collagen. Citrus fruits. One orange has around 70 milligrams of vitamin C. The daily amount that is recommended for an adult is around 75, which means that it's great for collagen intake. Eggs. Any way you want to make your eggs is perfectly fine, as long as you're eating the yolk. This is the part of the egg that has the collagen in it that will keep your hair beautiful and shiny. The white part of the egg has the amino acids that is necessary to make collagen. Dark leafy greens. Do you like collard greens, kale, spinach, and rainbow chard? These colorful, dark greens have so many nutrients in them, including lots of vitamin C for collagen. Chlorophyll is what makes these veggies the beautiful green that they are. Chicken. Chicken, just like fish and beef, has amino acids which are needed for making collagen. If you're consuming a plate full of vegetables and meat, then you are definitely making sure that your skin has a good portion of everything it needs to stay healthy, smooth, and shiny. If you enjoyed watching this video, give us a thumbs up, share it with your friends, comment below, and let us know what you think. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and notification bell so you never miss our new videos. Also, be sure to check out our other videos as well. Thanks for watching.